Hi, today we're going to learn about taking forms, like a contact form inside your blog. What it is visitors will come to your site and they will fill out information. Here's business a contact form. So it will give you the form. Here's the email. So someone can send an email to you. But what we want to do is when they come over there and fill out the form and hit send, you'll get an email that has the information that they filled out, which is pretty cool. And we're going to go ahead and go on over and we're going to see how to go ahead and fill this in. We're at contact form 7 is the plugin that we're using here, and as you can see, this first one is the contact form that usually comes with it, and it has where people will just put their name on it, and it says required. That means they have to put their name. It won't go. The email is required. But this is kind of code, and so you have to kind of be careful with it so you get the information that you want there for the code. And so it will show up. By scrolling down, you're going to see where you put your email address you want it to go to, and this is where the from will fill in their name and their email address and their subject, and then they can put whatever information in. That's what's going to come. This is the way it's going to come to you in the mail. That's what you're going to get in your email, and you can kind of change that, but you want to make sure that as you this one's kind of set up automatically for a basic contact form. But then if you want to make your own contact form, that's when you click this add new button, and then you'll put new things in there. As you can see, you can also have it in a different language if you want to make it in a different language. And then it will be in whatever language you put in there. We're going to go ahead and we're doing everything in English here, so we're not going to pick any. Okay. Second. The first thing you want to do is you want to give your new form a title. Right here it says untitled. Like I made a new one and I called it free in-home consultation. And we'll show you that one in just a minute. But you have over here, you have your basic ones that are here, and then you have a create a tag. And let's say that you want them to fill in just a text field. You want them just to fill in maybe like a phone number, something small. And so you'd put like text field. And you want to give it a name, and it could be like phone number for this phone. You can, if you want it to, where they have to fill this in, you put a check mark for required field, and you can see it changes that right down there. There's a little star there by it. The required field. If I have it so it's uncheck it, see it stars off. This is the code that you're going to put in your message there. But you also want to put this green one down in your email address so you'll be sure and get that information. If you look up here at the top, the words that you want printed on your form, like your name required, then that's what goes right there. And you can kind of use the ones that's already there as a sample to kind of know what to put where. This BR kind of puts it on a new line, and then they got the code. And then they start it like in a new paragraph. This is the beginning paragraph with the new paragraph. And then like for email, let's say you're coding some code that was for an email, you do the email field. If you want them to say a lot of stuff, then you put text area. A drop down menu, if they want them to pick from a menu. A lot of times if you put check boxes and drop down menus, or even a radio button where they check which button they want, this makes them a lot easier to fill out the form, and they can fill them out pretty quick. There's even ones for a quiz here, acceptance, and the captcha form there, so you can have that. I'm going to go ahead and add that to this other one here in a minute. And you can see, but you go ahead and once you get whatever you want put in there, if you're doing something with radio buttons, you see it's going to say radio there. But when you get through with it, you're going to put this with the words on the one side, and this goes down here with the email. And when you get through and have it set up the way you want, you're going to hit the save button down there at the bottom.